Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherifat and I'm based in Nova Scotia in Canada. On my YouTube channel, I just share my experiences about life here in Canada. Also, I do a bit of immigration because I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and RCIC. So I help you with your needs to come to Canada when it comes to immigration. Work permits, study permits, permanent residence, for visits, things like that, family sponsorship. Also, I do things about school admissions as well for undergrad, masters, diploma, BSc, postgraduate diploma, things like that. Anyways, in this video, I'm here to show you our first major snow in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Also, I'll show you what we get to do, when it snows in winter, the pros and cons of winter and snow generally. Today is Friday, January 20th, 2023. It's our first major snow in Halifax, Nova Scotia. See our front deck. So I have gone to bring out my children's snow kits, snow pants, snow boots. I'll go look up their mittens, their gloves, and their hats, their caps. So this is our first, this is the first major snow, I'll say, really. Guess what? These snow boots no longer my kids' sizes. Nabila had to wear Nabil's, Fiza had to wear Nabila's, and Nabil had to wear his dad's when we went snow sledding yesterday because all the three is no longer their size. I have to go and look for boots to buy for them now. Anyway, so come, let me show you what we got to do in the snow and things like that. The snow was quite a lot. As you can see, it was so much that they even had to cancel school. It was a Friday, so the kids didn't go to school, so they had a long holiday for this weekend. See how much the snow is. See, so this is all the snow in our parking lot. See all the snow. See, everywhere is white. It was quite a lot actually, but we can't complain because we've not had snow since a while now. The way I'm romancing and smiling upon this snow, you think I love snow? No, I do not like snow at all. Winter is my least favorite season. I mean, I love the whiteness snow brings. That's the only thing I think I like. Aside that, I don't like it because you have to walk carefully. People, you sleep if you're not careful. You have to pack the snow. You have to be very careful while driving. So that's one of the things I don't like about snow at all. So that's our back deck. So I showed you the front deck earlier. So this is the back one. See how much the snow is? Lots. Anyway, so when it snows, to help myself, I try to always park in the garage. I don't park outside at all. So at least I know that I'm not cleaning my car. I'm just driving into the garage and driving my car. See, now my car is free of snow. So that I try to do, even though I prefer to park outside on a normal day because it's just easier to just get in the car and drive off. Like in the garage, you have to reverse. And I mean, I don't like reversing at all. I don't like going back in life generally. I love to go forward. So parking in the garage, I have to reverse to come up. But I'd rather do that than clean snow on my car. Hey, I'm going to drive on the snow. So myself and the kids were going for the Arabic class. See? So I did not even park the snow. I just drove on the snow like that. And luckily, I was able to do that. So that's me. I did not clean any snow on my car or anywhere. It was just the stairs, the deck, where people will pass. But other than that, I just drove off, and I went to Arabic school and we were good. Yeah, it was really a lot. See that car outside. See how the snow, came on it. So mine was free of snow, so I just drove the kids. I know that, when I come out, and thank God I don't even clean the snow safe because it still snowed again overnight. Still snowed again. So sometimes you just have to wait and see if it's going to snow more or not before start to clear up your parking lot or your deck or things like that. Good. I did it. Yeah, I did it. I drove on the snow. To the glory of God, we got to Arabic school safely. See the way I was holding my girls. Because even as an adult, you have to hold yourself well. You have to very, firm on the ground. If not, you just fall. So that's one thing I don't like about snow. You have to be walking very carefully. So we are going for snow sledding at the backyard. This is our gears, winter jackets, snow pants, mittens, hats, snow boots, and everything. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it on.
Jump in.
And this right here is a sledder. This is snow sledding. Yeah.
Wait. You gotta have to stay in a position that when you jump, don't be talking.
Listen to Nabil. She's giving instruction.
When you jump, don't go like.
Nabil is my video director.
You are gonna be like this. Jump normally.
Nabila is not even listening.
I'm listening.
Okay.
If I do this, the next I'll be like this.
Oh yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Good. Let's go. 1. Let's go snow sledding. Slow sledding.
I want to be the.
Careful.
Oh my gosh.
So much snow. So much snow. Wow, so cool. Sure. Wow.
For mommy. No, mommy wants a video. I'll take it off. We did a slow fight when you're gone.
Pardon?
Take a video of me.
A video of you. Yeah. Taking a video of my baby. I'm trying to block this part. So when we slide down, place our head on the wall. I'm going to put some snow here to block it. And please come this way a little bit more. Yeah, Nabila goes first, yeah. Yes. But one by one though.
Only one by one?
Yeah, it's safer. What do you think? Let Nabila go first, okay? One push. Good job. Good job. Careful. Yes, I says feed to like yup. Belly. Don't remove your hands. Your hands will get cold, guys. How was that? So much fun! Ooh, see we're sliding down. What happened? Yeah, I can take many turns. That's fine. Ready, set, go! Oh my God! So this is me going up the hill to go sled down too. Oh, I'm scared of you. How you guys go up? Very steep. How you guys go up? Very steep. Yeah. Oh, I'm coming down. Here she comes. Okay. Oh, sorry, I put it the wrong way. Don't worry. Okay. I'm ready. Ready? 3, set, go. That was cool. This is called snow angel, right? The moment of truth is here. Moment of reality. Play is done. Now for the work. So we had to clean the deck and the stairs. Myself and Nabil, and also a bit of the driveway. And we did that the most that we could. Voila! Hold on! This one!
This is my way of shoveling.
Shoveling can be fun sometimes, but at that point in time, it can become a pain. Well, we just did the much that we could, and that's it. Nabi did a good job with the cleaning of that, and yeah. After then, we went back in. This was the Saturday, so it's not on Friday, right? All through Friday there was no school. Then up until even so me, I cleaned it like on Friday. When it snowed, then the next day it snowed again overnight. So the one I did on the deck, Nabil had to do it again the next day because it snowed. That's him on the driveway, doing the most that he could.
Content for the snow. See what I'm trying to do content for. See what I'm trying to do content for. My phone fell down. Inside snow. Hey.
And this is the deck and the stairs after the cleaning. Meanwhile, I don't know if this happened to somebody else too. When I'm cleaning snow, when I see like heap of snow, I'll be like, really, if I can just export this snow to Nigeria so people can we can be said ice block or something. That always comes to me like every time, each time I see like heap of snow. I don't know if it's just me. Okay, time for tea now.
Which one's mine? Which one's mine? Could this one be mine?
That's fine.
Do it again. Good.
It's good? Nabil made it. Chef Nabil. Is it good, Nabila? Let me mention that we are quite lucky this year in Nova Scotia, especially in Halifax, where we've not had snow. Just started having, like, this is our first snow in January. Usually by November, we should have seen this much snow, but for over 2 months, we've not seen it, which is very, very good. I'm happy about that. Some other provinces that I know, like 6 other provinces, have been seeing snow since September and October. 4 months ago before us. So we've really been lucky in Nova Scotia this year. I hope it continues this way. So already once January comes, for me it's like half of winter is already gone. So we have like half to go. I hope the remaining half is not as bad, Anyway, so I love this thing about winter as well, having to see whiteness while you're driving. I think it's a beautiful view. I love that about winter. Anyway, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll share a video or two that I've done before in the past about how to keep safe in winter and things like that. Because in the past I've done more serious videos about winter, safety, things to wear, where to shop and things like that. I'll put the link in the bio of this video. So if you're a newcomer here, that might be helpful for you.